Today we're going to give a couple examples of how to check clearances on a mechanical stamping press. These will include your ball cup clearance and your total or overall clearance. Most presses can use the counterbalance to obtain and tighten up all the clearances on the press sufficiently without having to use a jack. Very first thing you need to make sure is please put the press on bottom. It gives you more working room in the slide area and makes it easier to use less attachments or measurement devices when you're measuring for your total clearance. Make sure the hydraulic overload is pumped up and or pressurized if your press has this. Very important. Do not do these checks without the hydraulic overload pumped up. Please make sure your indicators are set up to allow travel both ways. The first one is for your ball cup. It's connected to the screw and the top plate of the housing. Then we'll come down and we'll zero our bottom indicator for our total or overall clearance. You can do these one at a time, or you can do multiple. If this happens to be a 2-point press, you may want to use 2 indicators, one for each side. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove the air pressure from the counterbalance system and drain the counterbalance tank. Once this is done, we should have our readings on our indicator to give us the clearance that we've achieved.